Hey everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to show some new items that I found at Dollar Tree today, and I'm going to start with these makeup items. The first one is this contour perfecting applicator, and I have not seen this at my Dollar Tree before. I only saw it in this green color. So it says for putting on highlighter or contour from Echo Tools, and you can find their items at Target as well. Then I found these color correcting minis, and I guess they're supposed to coordinate with your, sorry, let's get in focus here. They're supposed to color coordinate with the color corrector that you are using. So if you use a green corrector, you would use the green sponge. If you use a purple corrector, you would use the purple sponge, so on and so forth. So these are the little mini ones. And then the last makeup item is this fairy dust highlighter from Hard Candy. It may be difficult to see. It has the iridescent ring going around, and there are 3 colors of highlighter. So if you wanted to, you could choose just one, or you can take your brush and swirl it through all 3, and that would give you a really pretty highlighter. I guess they have the iridescent around to kind of show you the effect that it would have. All right, now I'm going to show you guys my new crafting stuff that I found, and there are these large metal words. So they had happy, and these are much larger than the usual metal words we're used to seeing, and they're heavier, they're thicker, they're still pliable, but they're not as fragile feeling as the other metal words. So they had happy, then they had family, and then they had home. All these were in the crafter square. So if you are a wreath maker, these are going to be awesome for you. They're also starting to put out a lot of their fall stuff. I'm seeing pumpkins, I'm seeing fall flowers, so maybe this is a part of that. And I also wanted to point out that they do come with holes in the letters, as you can see here and here on happy, so that you can hang them or attach them to a wreath. And then family has holes in the L and the A, and home has holes in the M right there and at the top of this part of H. So those were a great find. Also, I found these little customizable little, I don't know, I guess you can use them as place cards. You could write little messages on them. Really, really cute. I don't know if they come in black too. I only saw them in white. So you can use a paint pen or a marker to customize it. Also, if you wanted to, you could paint the inside with the chalk paint and then use chalk on it if you didn't want to use a paint pen or a marker. But these are really cute. So I picked up a couple of those. Also, in my last haul, I showed you the black candlestick holders, and I went to another Dollar Tree and found the white ones. I have one of the black ones here. So I'm just showing you that it's the same pattern in the center, and the pedestal is the same as the black one. I also found this retractable holder, and I have not seen these before. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so it has this drawstring or carry string at the top. It's not a drawstring, it's a like carrying string. So it opens up like this, and you twist it open to expand it. And that's how you open it. And as you can see, they say it's for you to use for your brushes or your pencils or any supplies that you have, and you can customize the length of it. If you have something longer to put in there, you can expand it to the full size, and if not, you can just twist it down to this size. And you can store everything standing up because it does have a flat bottom. Then I found these really pretty iridescent beads, and this was the only color that I saw them come in, like this pink iridescence, and there are 30 pieces in one bag. And new to my Dollar Tree are the jump rings and the lobster claws. So if you make jewelry, these are going to come in handy. And also new are these scissors that cut in these lines. So this one will cut with the squiggly line. That's the green one. They have the pink one that will cut in a sawtooth fashion. You can see there. And then this blue one, which will cut in like waves, or scalloped edge, I should say. And I just wanted to show you the size difference. The sawtooth, kind of jagged sawtooth, and the scallop are about the same size, while this one, the green one, is larger. Also, I found this Grooming Kit scissor and comb, and I'm pretty sure this is like for a male, like a mustache or a beard. I got it for my fur babies, and I'm going to use the little comb to comb out the area around their eyes, and then the little scissors to help clean up their paws and maybe the areas around their face. I do groom them myself, and I have the shears and everything, but sometimes they just need a little touch up. So for $1, I thought that was a great deal. In the dental section, I found these charcoal infused floss picks, and guys, I go through about maybe 5 of these a day. I try not to have any issues when I go to the dentist, because I hate having issues when I go to the dentist. I just want them to say, we're gonna clean your teeth and then you can go. I don't want any holdups or to have to come back for any reason. So I have a lot of these already in the house, but I have not seen these charcoal infused ones before. And this one, it says, has a peppermint flavor. So in the food section, I found these crispy hatch chilies. So I'm trying to be good, guys. So I recently joined a weight loss app, and I'm trying to get my calories under control, and I saw these hatch chilies, and they're pretty much like crispy hatch chilies, and I mean, it's 40 calories for a serving. Now granted, a serving is 1 tablespoon, so it's not a lot, but having said that, I feel like because it's not a lot, I can have a few tablespoons of it and it's not going to eat up my calories for the day. So they basically say that you can add it to a salad or to burgers. You can add them to roasted potatoes, or you can just eat them out of the bag, which is probably what I'm going to do, just to be honest. And my last two things, plural, are new baby blankets at Dollar Tree. So these are fleece blankets, and this one is just gray and white striped. They also had one with dinosaurs and another one with frogs that were super cute, but I got this one And then I also picked up this one. I was really excited to see this pattern because it just looks like a decor piece. So more than likely I will be making pillows out of these. And so what a beautiful little pattern to have a pillow made out of. I didn't see any new Heidi Swap items. I did look for them. I did not see any. I just wanted to come on and share this small haul with all of you. I hope you found or saw something that you are excited to find at your Dollar Tree. And I will see you guys. I will see you guys in my next video, which will be a DIY. All right, everyone, take care. Bye.